Hey everyone, welcome back to my another tutorial. Today's tutorial is an Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Anyway, even if you are using an old version, you can benefit in this tutorial. So today we will talk about how to remove audio noise background in Adobe Premiere Pro. My name is Semenu Algaita. I am from Nigeria and I speak English. My mother tongue is Hausa. So that you can see the tutorial which is translated between our mother tongue. Don't be confused. Okay, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Hit Ctrl+Alt+N to create new project. Let us call it Noise. Import your video, put it here. Drag it to this empty space. Let us play, so that we can listen to that noise we want to remove. Okay, select all the video and audio. Right-click, go to Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. Wait for same time. Now, select all the noise. Go to Effect and select Noise Reduction. Capture Noise Print. Back to Effect again. Select Noise Reduction, then Noise Reduction Process. Hit Apply, press Ctrl+A. Back to Effect again. Select Noise Reduction, then Noise Reduction Process. Hit Apply. Now close Adobe AU. Back to Adobe Premiere Pro. It is time to add sound. Go to the sequence, select Render, Enter Out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon.